Today I'm going to show you how to add an Allstar keypad to your garage system. This one goes on the outside of the garage so you can have easy access 24/7 if you need to. Things that you'll need, you have the instructions right here. I'll go over those. But this is the keypad that we're using today. I've already placed the battery in. This is my wireless that I already have and that typically will stay in the house or give it to the grand folks to come over, easy to get in the garage. And so I'm taking off the cover and I'm looking right in here. And my first challenge is going, this does not look like the instructions. The instructions show a trinomial setup where there's three positions. There's the on, there's the neutral, and then there's the off. So, oh my goodness, what do I do? Well, if you have a trinomial, you're going to follow this grid just as it shows. If you have a binomial, which is what we have right here, what you want to do is there's only an on and an off. So any numbers through 1 through 9 that are in the off position, such as what 1 is showing you, then you're going to want to write down the number 2. So for example, this is the off position for number 1. I'm going to write down the number 2. The numbers 1 through 4, if they're in the on position, meaning upwards, I'm going to write down the number 1. So for example, 1 is in the down position, so that's a 2. 2 is in the up position, that's a 1. 3 is in the up position, that's 1. 4, up position, 1. Now what do I do with 5 through 9? 5 through 9 are in the up positions, but those are going to be assigned the value of 3. If they were in the down positions, they would be assigned the position of 2. So 5 is 3, 6 is 3, 7 is 3, 8 is 3, and 9 is 3. Once you have that code written down, the instructions within the manual actually are pretty good into that respect. So you can see right here, this is what we're going to type in. Go right to your keypad, press the on button here. You can see that it lights up. As you hit each code, these lights should also light up. So first we're going to type in 1, 2, 3, 4, pound, pound, 1. That's standard. Then you're going to type in the code that you wrote down. For me, that would be 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Those represents those numbers there. And then I'm going to hit pound, and we should be good to go there. So that's the first part. The second part you want to do is now you're going to program the actual personal identification number, your password. So you want to hit your on button to make sure these lights are lit up. And you're going to hit 1, 2, 3, 4, pound, 1, and then type in the code that you want it to be. I'm just going to make mine this for right now, just for kicks and grins, and then I have to type it twice. Can't just type it once and then hit the pound. Now if I wanted a secondary code, this one holds up to 3 codes. I do the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, pound. I'm going to say this is the second code, which I'm going to set just at a standard code. I have to type it twice, just like that. Hit pound, and then I could set up a third code if I wanted to. If I made any errors, I could go back and hit 999 pound, 999 pounds. So that's twice. You do the 999 pound, 999 pound. So you can see my device is programmed. It is telling me I'm good to go. Now I actually want to test the operation of this unit. For example, I'm going to hit the on button here. I'm going to try one of those codes that I just did with you today. And then hit the star button, and it is the first key. As you can hear, the garage door is opening. It's working. We want to test that secondary key that we placed in there as well. A secondary option was this one here. And you can see that it's closing, okay? So the difference is this side here is going to operate the system. This side here is going to program the situation. If you do not see these lights lighting up, the number was not accepted. These codes have to be correct. If they're not correct, it will not work. So hope you like. If you like, awesome. If you don't like, well, that's just what it is.